Ever wondered if a drone small enough to fit in your pocket could finally stop feeling like a compromise? Imagine tossing it into the air from your palm and capturing footage that looks like it came from a professional rig. Not a smartphone from 2016. In today's video, we're exploring everything we know so far about the highly anticipated DJI Neo 2. We'll break down what the leaks are revealing about its rumored release, camera upgrades, flight performance, and the clever design tweaks that could make it a true travel essential for creators. I'll also share what DJI might have learned from the original Neo and how those lessons could transform this new version into a serious challenger to the Mini 5 Pro. Stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing a straight-up take on who this drone really suits, and who might want to hold off. The original DJI Neo was a fascinating idea, a truly pocketable drone that promised cinematic creativity from the palm of your hand. But while it nailed convenience, it struggled against wind and stability. The rumored Neo 2 seems ready to change that story. Early whispers suggest that DJI is keeping the same small, travel-ready footprint, but making it much more durable and flight-stable. The frame is said to feature tougher materials, along with reinforced prop guards that can handle beginner bumps and close calls. And even with these improvements, it reportedly stays under 250 grams. Meaning fewer flight restrictions in many regions, which makes it a dream for travelers and vloggers alike. The new motor system is rumored to provide faster response and better lift in gusty conditions, giving pilots more confidence even in unpredictable air. DJI also seems to have reworked the sensor layout, which could finally deliver multidirectional obstacle awareness, a feature that creators have been asking for since the first model. As for the controller, expect subtle but meaningful upgrades, a more ergonomic grip, improved antenna placement for stronger signal reliability, and a cleaner interface that keeps the focus on flying smoothly. Now let's talk about the part that matters most: the camera. If the leaks are on point, the Neo 2 could be packing a 1.3-inch image sensor, a major leap from the original smaller setup. That would mean crisp 4K video at 60 frames per second with improved dynamic range, smoother highlights, and more natural shadows. It could also mean lower noise during dusk or indoor flights. DJI is rumored to have fine-tuned the auto exposure system and possibly introduced a true HDR video mode, which would enhance color and detail in challenging lighting. The Neo 2 might even include support for log or raw color profiles, giving creators more flexibility in post-production, something you'd typically only find on larger, more expensive drones. Flight time is said to have received a solid boost too, reaching roughly 20 to 25 minutes in ideal conditions, a meaningful jump from its predecessor. Combined with smarter AI tracking, the Neo 2 could follow subjects smoothly, even when they briefly pass behind trees or obstacles. DJI may have also refined the transmission system to reduce signal drops and improve real-time responsiveness, using newer, more efficient protocols. Rumors also suggest a refreshed Fly More style kit with spare batteries, faster charging, ND filters, and a compact charging case for creators on the move. This level of refinement shows that DJI is listening, building something not just for fun flights, but for serious, portable filmmaking. So, does the DJI Neo 2 finally strike the perfect balance between portability and performance? From what the leaks suggest, it's shaping up to be the compact drone creators have been waiting for. One that delivers upgraded stability, impressive visuals, and smarter tracking without the bulk. It's that sweet middle ground between a pro setup and something you can casually slip into your jacket pocket. If you're someone who travels often, shoots outdoor vlogs, or just loves cinematic storytelling on the go, the Neo 2 could easily become your favorite creative companion. Still, as with any rumor-driven preview, patience pays off. It's worth seeing how much of this actually makes it into the final model. What do you think? Would you trade a bigger drone for something this compact and capable? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget, this is Technify, bringing you the latest in next-gen tech and gear insights. See you in the next one.